Alright, welcome back to the channel, everyone. We have a fun one today. We're surprising our good buddy Colin with his own dirt bike. Yeah, so this dirt bike has been in my shed, chilling in a bunch of pieces for about 2 years now. We started taking it apart. The compression was getting low, it was getting hard to start. It was just due for a top end rebuild. And we were kind of in a rush when we started taking it apart. It was mid-season, so Colin just decided to buy another bike in the meantime, a nice Kawasaki. So this one's been hanging out for a while until he would find time to fix it up. That time never came, and Colin's going out on his own now, starting his own business in about a month or so. So he won't have much time or money to spend on this, so we figured we'd help him out. So this bike will probably be up for sale in the next month, so keep an eye out for it. It's absolutely mint. Griff and I have been rebuilding this thing for him. We got Colin's girlfriend Liv in on this. She helped us sneak into his garage and get some of the missing pieces. These plastics were at his place and some of the carb parts. So thanks, Liv. Now Colin is currently at the Pitstop Boys shop right now with Tristan and Griff. So pretty excited. Let's load this thing up and go surprise him. Alright, top end rebuild is all done. I just put the gas tank back on for now, just to test it out and make sure everything works. So, let's give it a few kicks. See if it wants to start. Nice. Awesome. It runs great. So we saw a bunch of smoke there at the beginning. That's just from all the cleaning products that I had on the exhaust. And then it was smoking a little bit at the beginning. That's because of all the oil I put on the cylinder and on the piston rings. But overall, it runs awesome. So it's time to go surprise our buddy. All right, I'm parked just a few bays down from Pitstop Boys, which is right over there. I'm gonna unload the dirt bike and go surprise the guys. So I'm all strapped up. I got the GoPro so you guys can see the reaction. Let's go.
He's blushing.
That took me like 2 whole minutes of no way, man. Are you serious?
Yeah. Ready to rock?
I can't hold the bike and give you a hug at the same time. Dude, no way. Fucking fresh job on the frame?
Yeah.
Sounds mint.
What in Wade's world, dude?
Figured you might need a little head start.
Oh my god.
So.
Love you so much, man.
Love you too, dude.
Unreal. Oh my god. What the fuck, man? You're gonna bust my knee more often, eh?
Yeah.
Holy shit, I can't believe it, man. Thanks so much.